Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to auto sprint in Rec Room. Auto sprinting makes moving around faster and more convenient so you can enjoy the exploring and playing without constantly pressing the sprint button. So in order to enable auto sprint on Rec Room, first of all, go ahead and open the Rec Room app on your device and make sure you are logged in. Once you're logged into the account, go to the top right corner and tap on the wristwatch icon to bring up this menu. From here, click on Settings at the bottom right corner. This will open up the game settings. Under Controls, you should see the Auto Sprint option. Toggle on the button right next to Auto Sprint. And once you have that on, you will be able to enable auto sprint in Rec Room, making movement faster and more fun. You can now go ahead and enjoy the game, and you will notice that you can now move faster and more easier. So that's how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thanks for watching.